Welcome to JDT Education Channel Sri Lanka. Today we are going to learn the lesson 1.5 of A-Level Information and Communication Technology. Like the video, subscribe and get notified about the next lesson. The lesson outline includes analyzes the activities of data processing. Let's analyze the activities of data processing. Under this, we have to learn the steps in data processing. The steps in data processing include data gathering, data validation, data input, data processing, data output, and data storage. Let's learn the first step in data processing, that is, data gathering. Data gathering is the process of collecting the data. Data gathering can be classified into three as manual methods, semi-automated methods, and automated methods. Let's learn about the first method in data gathering, that is, manual method. Collecting the data by the involvement of the human can be known as the manual method. Interviews, questionnaires, observation can be taken as some ways of collecting the data manually. It's time for us to learn the second method of data gathering, that is, semi-automated method. A procedure that has yet to be completely automated, but it still requires some amount of human interaction, comes under the semi-automated method. The third method of data gathering is the automated method. Data is automatically collected without the encouragement or any manual or human action in automated methods. Let's learn some popular semi-automatic and automatic methods. Method number 1, optical mark reader or OMR. As you can see in the picture, OMR is a scanning device that reads carefully placed pencil marks on a specially designed form or document. The most popular use of OMR is marking of MCQ answer sheets. Method number 2, optical character recognition or OCR. OCR allows the user to identify written or printed characters and extract edible text from it. Method number 3, magnetic ink character recognition or MICR. MICR is a technology supports to input data written in special magnetic ink and verify the legitimacy or originality of the input paper document, especially like checks. Method number 4, magnetic strip readers Magnetic strip reader is a device designed to read the information stored within the magnetic strip of special card such as credit card and ATM card. Method number 5. Barcode readers. That is a handheld or fixed input device which use a visible light to capture and read information contained in a barcode. It is the time to learn the last method, that is sensors. Sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. The specific input of the sensor could be light, heat, signal, moisture, that means wetness, pressure, or any one of a great number of other environmental factors. Data validation is the second step in data processing. Checking the accuracy and quality of source data before using, importing, or otherwise processing data is known as data validation. Let's look at the types of data validations. Number 1. Data type check. That is, check whether the correct data type such as numeric, text, date, or currency is input into the system. Number 2. Presence check. That means presence of data, or else data entry field is not blank is checked. Number 3. Range check. That is, check whether the data is in the allowed range. For an example, marks must be between 0 and 100. And also, this is commonly used when working with data that consists of numbers, currency, or dates or times. Let's learn the third step in data processing, that is data input. There are some modes of data input are available. Number 1. Direct and remote. Direct data input includes typing text or drawing an image on the computer straight, and remote data input includes copying or importing data from another source. Number 2. Online and offline. Online data input includes the use of software to enter data in web-based or application-based programs which require an internet connection. In offline data input, no internet is needed to input. It's time for us to learn the fourth step, that is data processing. Let's learn the modes of data processing. Number 1. Batch processing. That is the process by which a computer completes batches of jobs, often simultaneously, in non-stop, sequential, that means one after the other order. Number 2. Real-time processing. In real-time processing of data, input, processing and output as well as data storing occur at the same time. The fifth step of data processing is data output. Data output pertaining to a device, process or channel involved with the transfer of data or information out of an information processing system. Two basic categories are available in data output. Number 1, output for immediate use by people, and number 2, stored in computer usable form. Output generation can be done in hard copy basis in documents and reports as well as soft copy basis in forms, screens or panels. The last step in data processing is data storage. Let's learn the types of data storage. Number 1. Local storage. That is, using hard disk drives, compact disk, digital versatile disks and tape drives to store data. This method can be used to store data inside the local computer. Number 2. Remote storage. That is, using online storage such as cloud space to store data securely. Access to the internet is needed to store and get remote data when needed.